Hello, Dennis Carter.
Hello.
I'm just going to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
What kind of poems do you like to write?
I like to write most styles of poetry, particularly in my books for children, and rhyme features quite a lot, but so do alliteration and the other poetic devices. But for my own personal work, I tend to write what's known as free verse, without rhymes.
It's like the ones we've been doing in class today.
Exactly, yes.
Where do you live?
I live in an old farmhouse near a village called Cefn, which is near Oswestry in Shropshire, just over the border from Wales.
Okay. Where do you prefer, England or Wales?
I love Wales. My wife's Welsh, and I love England. So, a mixture really.
How do you like to relax?
I like to go to the theatre to see plays, and I like to go to the cinema to see films. I like to read books. Sometimes just sitting around having a chat.
I agree with two of them, the cinema and reading.
Right.
What do you prefer, Indian food or Chinese food?
Probably Indian, because I've eaten more of that in recent years. As long as it's not too hot.
My mum's got a friend and she's Indian, and we went to her house one day for lunch and it was really, really nice.
Really, really nice, yeah. Cooked at home, it must be wonderful rather than from a takeaway.
Which one of your poems is your favourite?
That's a difficult one, but of my poems for children, there's one called Owl Calls, which I think is my best poem. It's about owls hooting, and they seemed, this night when I heard them, the two of them, they seemed to be having a sort of owl conversation in hoots. So that's probably my favourite, and the one I think is my best poem for children.
How many Welsh words can you say?
I can say diolch yn fawr, I can say bore da, I can say pnawn da, sydach chi, da iawn. Not many more though.
So quite a few then.
A few. It should be more, I know.
Where do you like to write your poems?
I like to have a notebook, and then I can write them whenever I like. But when I'm really working on them to develop them into a fully developed poem, I go to my computer, which is in the study my wife and I share.
Do you watch television? And if so, what's your favourite programme?
I do like television very much. I like dramas, series. For instance, I really enjoyed the series Poldark on a Sunday evening.
How many poetry books have you published?
7 for children, and I've published 3 novels for children as well.
Thank you for coming today. I'm sure that we'll enjoy at the end of this day listening to some of your poems.
Right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
It's a pleasure speaking to you. Bye.
Bye.